What's up world, I'm Nazim Saliji and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, thank you very much for checking me out. Today I got 3 new pickups, and actually I ordered a couple of these a while back, but they finally came in today, and I picked up this one in Finish Line today, so I just figured I'd unbox all 3 for you guys. So let's just get right into it. I hope everybody's staying safe. This first box is a Jordan box right here, and they just dropped today on sneakers and they sold out, and I ended up winning a pair on Finish Line raffle, and it is the Jordan 5 alternate grape. So I don't know, I think it's purple grape maybe. There's a bunch of nicknames for this, but you got the Jumpman on the tongue here, which is reflective. You got the icy bottoms with the Jumpman as well. You got the the teal hints right here. You got Jumpman on the back in black, and it's a suede upper. It's a pretty clean shoe, but the suede is kind of rough, and I'm not a huge fan of this suede. I've seen better suede on shoes, like my Travis Scott ones and a couple other shoes, but nevertheless it's still a pretty fire shoe. And yeah, that's the first shoe. I'll just set these to the side. I don't want to make this video too long. I finally got a tracking number for a mystery box that I ordered like almost 2 weeks ago, and that's on its way, guys, so stay tuned for that mystery box. I'm really excited for that, but let's get this open as fast as possible. This is an Adidas shoe, and I don't think this sold out, but I really wanted to get my hands on it because it's a Pharrell Williams Adidas collab. There's the HU on the box right here for human race, and I'll get this open for you guys. I got this in my size. They were pretty available, but this is the Superstar Pharrell Williams Superstar shoe. We got teal on the side panel here. This is almost like a quilted material. This is actually pretty interesting. A bunch of different materials on this, you guys. On the back it says human race, and you got brown, black, purple. The tongue is attached to like the lace or the shoe, so it's kind of like a one booty construction. On the inside you have a bunch of stuff. Actually, that's really cool. You got a bunch of stuff on the inside here. It says pelvis, colon, intestines, bladder, kidneys, spleen, pancreas, stomach. I'm gonna pull this out for you guys, and so you guys can check it out. It's neck, shoulder, heart, thyroid, pituitary, eye, and then it's like it's got your foot. It's got the footprint on the insole here. This is actually really detailed. It's got lungs on here, diaphragm. This is actually really cool. I've never seen anything like this before. Anyway, that's the Pharrell Williams Superstar. Superstar is obviously a very classic shoe, goes way back, but Pharrell Williams finally collaborated with the silhouette, and it's a pretty interesting mix of colors, and the insole is pretty cool, and it's kind of a one booty construction because the tongue is attached to the shoe, and got some what is that, Adidas branding on the inside of the tongue as well. So actually it's on the outside, but in the inside it shows it backwards. But yeah, Pharrell Williams Superstar shoe. Those are pretty interesting. And the last shoe for you guys is right here, and I actually ended up getting like 4 pairs of these, and I already resold 2 pairs, and I think I'm going to do another video with these shoes as well, because I want to give these away, and I'm going to make a video out of it. Whoops. And this one is the Jordan 11 Concord bread. It's the low version that just came out. Like I said, I ended up getting like 4 pairs of these. I resold 2 pairs, and the other pair I gave away, and I'm giving these away too, but I'm probably gonna do like a little basketball video with them, and more than likely I will. Joe Sipka, shout out to you on guessing the number, and I'm gonna do a giveaway with these. I'm gonna do a little horse game with him. So this is a pretty nice shoe, you guys. 23 right here on the back, Jumpman. The upper is not the typical mesh upper. It's kind of it's a leather upper, and then you got the patent leather. Very, very clean patent leather Jordan low, you guys. The carbon fiber on the bottom as well, with the red. It's Concord. It's a Concord and bread mix, because the bread's got the red bottom, but the Concord's got the black and white upper. So they mix the colorways, and yeah, these sold out. The 5 sold out, and the Pharrell Williams human race are still sitting if you guys are interested. I'm doing a giveaway with this video as well. Besides these, I'm actually going to give away these right here. It's not the most hype shoe, you guys, but I've had a lot of people hit me up like, oh, how'd you get into the reselling thing, and how'd you make money to get into it? And I realized if you're just getting started, it's really difficult to make your first, $100 or whatever it is. It's hard to get your first pair, and I'm giving these away so for somebody to either keep or to resell, to start their reselling dream. So this is the Jordan 5 top 3. So you got the purple tongue and the 23, the Nike Air on the back, which is really popular, and the lace locks, obviously. So I had another pair of these that I resold, and I figured I could give this pair away and kind of kickstart somebody's reselling dreams. Or maybe you guys want to keep them for yourself. It's a 9.5, and if it's not your size and you want to keep them, maybe you can resell them and do whatever you want with them, actually. But I'm gonna leave the details. Actually, you know what? I'll tell you guys right now. If you want these shoes, make sure you first comment on this video right here. Make sure you subscribe to me on my channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, and I don't know, maybe in a couple weeks I'll do a random drawing. And yeah, if you guys want to win these, good luck to you. And that's it for this video, you guys. Like I said, I got a mystery box coming in. I'm really excited for that, and also got a video coming with these 11 lows. I'm going to do a little horse game with an old friend of mine. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, smash that thumbs up button for me, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate the support very much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.